Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to use the Ninja Forms conditional logic extension. Let's begin with this video tutorial. Hover onto Ninja Forms and click on the dashboard. I will add a new form first. Now here I will select the blank template and create a form from scratch. Let me add and customize the fields as per my choice. So you can see that I have added the fields. Now to use the conditional logic extension, what you need to do is log into your Ninja Forms account. From various tabs here, click on Downloads. From various extensions available here, download this extension from here. Once done, move back to the WordPress website. Hover onto Plugins and click on Add New. Now click on Upload Plugins and upload the file here. We need to click on Install now. Once done, click on Activate. It's time to show you how this extension works. For that, hover onto Ninja Forms and click on the dashboard. Select the form from here in which you want to use the conditional logic. Here click on the Advanced tab. You can see the conditional logic settings. Click on it. Now here you need to set the condition. Like in my case, I will set the condition as payment has selected as unpaid. Then only the next payment date field should be shown. And if the condition is not met, then the next payment date field is hidden. Once done, now let's click on Publish button. Let me show you the preview. I am making a test entry here to show you how the conditional logic extension works. You can see here, when clicked on unpaid, only then next payment date field is shown. So this was all about how to use the conditional logic extension of Ninja Forms. That's all about this video. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.